Okay, so today we're going to be removing the anti-theft box out of a 2000 Ford Focus. All you have to do is remove the glove box. If you don't know how to do that, just look down in the description. I'll leave a link to a video I did about that. Once you remove it, there's the box right there. And you got two Phillips screws on each side holding it in. I don't have a camera stand that can go down here, so I'm just going to remove those screws and remove the wiring. Remove the screws and the wiring, and then that'll be it. I'll show you real quick. Okay, so once you remove those two screws that was right there and the wiring harness, you've got your anti-theft control box. So when removing these, it is a lot easier to put a flathead right there, push down and pull down on the flathead at the same time. But if you are looking to buy parts for a 2000 Ford Focus or just needing parts, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm selling all the parts I take off of this car, and hopefully it helps you all. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.